One Sunday morning, Leo goes to the park. The sun is warm, the sky is blue. There are many people in the park. Some people walk, some people play, some people sit on benches. Birds fly in the sky, children run and laugh. It is a happy day. Leo walks slowly. He looks around. There are flowers near the path. There are ducks near the pond. He hears birds sing in the trees. He feels calm and peaceful. Leo sees a bench near a big tree. He walks to the bench and sits down. He takes a deep breath. He smiles. He looks at the flowers. The flowers are red, yellow, and pink. The wind is soft. The leaves move slowly. Then Leo sees a girl. She stands near the flowers. She wears a red dress. She holds a book. Her hair is long and black. She looks at the flowers, then she looks at Leo. Leo looks at her too. She smiles. Leo smiles back. Leo says hello. The girl says hello too. Leo stands up. He walks to her. He says, "My name is Leo. What is your name?" She says, "My name is Lily." "Nice to meet you, Leo." Leo says, "Nice to meet you too, Lily." Leo asks, "Do you come to the park often?" Lily says, "Yes, I come every Sunday. I like the flowers and the fresh air." Leo says, "I like the park too. It is quiet and beautiful." Leo looks at the book in Lily's hand. He asks, "What book do you read?" Lily says, "I read a book about love. It is a nice story." Leo says, "I like love stories too. They are sweet and interesting. They talk for a long time. They talk about books. They talk about the weather. They talk about the park." Leo says, "There are many ducks in the pond. Do you like ducks?" Lily says, "Yes, I do. They are cute." Leo says, "Let's sit on the bench." Lily says, "Yes, let's sit and talk." They walk to the bench and sit down. They watch the ducks. They listen to the birds. They laugh. They feel happy. Leo asks, "How many books do you read every month?" Lily says, "I read 2 or 3 books. I love reading. What about you?" Leo says, "I read 1 or 2 books. I want to read more." The sky starts to change. The sun goes down. The clouds turn orange. The park becomes quiet. Leo looks at Lily. He says, "This day is very nice. I am happy I came to the park." Lily says, "Me too. This is a good day." Leo feels shy. He looks at his hands. Then he looks at Lily. He asks, "Can we meet again?" Lily smiles. She says, "Yes, I want to see you again too." Leo smiles. Lily smiles. They sit for a few more minutes. Then they say goodbye. Leo walks home. He feels happy. He thinks about Lily. He thinks love is special. Love can start in a simple way. 1 week later, Leo goes to the park again. He wears a clean blue shirt. He brings 1 red flower in his hand. He feels a little shy. He looks around. Where is Lily, he thinks. He waits near the same bench where they met last time. After some minutes, Lily arrives. She wears a white dress. Her hair is in a ponytail. She smiles at Leo. Leo smiles too. He gives her the flower. Lily says, "Thank you." It is very pretty. I like it. They start to walk. They walk near the lake. There are ducks in the water. There are children playing near the trees. The sun is high in the sky. The weather is nice. Leo asks, "Do you like music?" Lily says, "Yes, I do. I listen to music every day." "What music do you like?" Leo says, "I like soft music. It helps me feel calm." Lily says, "I like music with a guitar. My brother can play the guitar." Leo says, "That is cool. I want to learn the guitar too. Maybe I will try next year." Then they talk about food. Leo says, "I like ice cream. I like chocolate the most." Lily says, "Me too. I like vanilla and strawberry." Leo says, "Let's eat ice cream." Lily says, "Yes, good idea." They go to a small ice cream shop near the park. Leo buys 2 ice creams. One is chocolate, one is vanilla. He gives the vanilla to Lily. They walk back to the park. They find a place with green grass. They sit down. They eat slowly. They laugh. They look at the sky. The clouds move slowly. Leo says, "I feel happy with you." Lily says, "I feel the same. You are kind, you are funny. I like being with you." Leo looks at the flowers near them. He asks, "Do you like flowers?" Lily says, "Yes, I like red and white flowers. They are beautiful." Leo says, "I will bring you more next time." Then Leo asks, "What do you like to do on the weekend?" Lily says, "I like to read, walk, and watch movies." "What about you?" Leo says, "I like to walk and draw pictures. I also like to drink tea." The sky starts to turn pink. The wind is soft. The sun starts to go down. Birds fly in the sky. Lily looks at Leo. She says, "Today is a nice day." Leo looks at Lily. He says, "I like you. I like your smile. I like your voice." Lily smiles. She says, "I like you too. You are sweet." They sit quietly. They look at the sky. They feel happy. Leo says, "Can we meet again next Sunday?" Lily says, "Yes, I want to see you again." They stand up, they walk slowly, they talk more, they smile, they say goodbye near the park gate. Leo walks home, he feels warm and happy. He thinks, love is simple. Love is kind. Love can start with one flower and one smile. Lesson 2. Today is a very special day for Leo and Lily. It is their wedding day. The sun shines in the sky, the birds sing in the trees, the garden is full of flowers. There are red flowers, white flowers, and pink flowers. The wind is soft, the weather is nice and warm. Everyone is happy. Leo wakes up early. He opens the window and looks outside. He feels excited. His best friend Tom comes to help him. Tom brings Leo a black suit. The suit is new and very smart. Leo puts it on. He looks in the mirror. He smiles and says he feels ready. Tom helps Leo with his tie. It is a blue tie. Leo asks, "Does this look good?" Tom says, "Yes, it looks great." Leo's father comes in. He hugs Leo. He says, "Today is your big day." Leo nods. He is a little nervous, but he is also very happy. At the same time, Lily is in another room. Her sister Anna is with her. Lily wears a white dress. The dress is long and beautiful. It has small white flowers on it. Lily's hair is soft and curly. Anna helps her with her hair. Lily looks at the mirror and smiles. Anna says, "You look like a princess." Lily laughs. Lily's mother comes into the room. She has happy tears in her eyes. She says, "My little girl is getting married." Lily gives her a big hug. She says, "Thank you for everything, Mom." Where is the wedding? It is in a big garden near their house. There are many chairs for the guests. There is a small table with flowers. There are lights in the trees. Everything is ready. People start to come. They wear nice clothes. They bring gifts and flowers. There is music. The music is soft and sweet. Leo walks to the garden. He sees many people. He waves and says hello. He talks to his uncle and aunt. He says, "Thank you for coming." His hands shake a little. Tom says, "Do not worry. Everything will be fine." Leo nods. Lily waits in the house. She sits on a chair. Her heart beats fast. Anna says, "Are you ready?" Lily says, "Yes, I am ready." "Let's go." They walk slowly to the garden. There are many people. They all turn to see Lily. Leo sees her too. He smiles. Lily walks slowly. She holds flowers in her hands. Her dress moves in the wind. There is music in the air. The guests stand up. They look at Lily. Some people take photos. Some smile. Some have tears in their eyes. Leo thinks she is so beautiful. Now everything is ready for the wedding. Leo and Lily are ready. Their family and friends are here. This is a happy day. This is the beginning of a new life. The wedding starts. Everyone is quiet. The man at the front speaks with a smile. He says many kind words about love and family. Leo looks at Lily. Lily looks at Leo. They hold hands. The man asks, "Do you want to marry this person?" Leo says yes. Lily says yes. Everyone claps and smiles. Some people cry. They are happy tears. Leo gives a ring to Lily. Lily gives a ring to Leo. The rings are small and shiny. They put the rings on each other's fingers. Now they are husband and wife. Everyone stands and claps again. The man says, "You are now married." Leo and Lily kiss. The music starts again. It is a beautiful moment. After the wedding, there is a big celebration. What do people do? They eat, talk, dance, and take photos. There's a long table with food. There are sandwiches, rice, chicken, soup, and fruit. There's a big white cake. It has pink flowers on it. How many people are there? There are about 50 guests. Leo and Lily walk around. They talk to all the guests. They say thank you to everyone. Lily hugs her grandmother. Leo shakes hands with his friends. The children play games on the grass. They laugh and run. The adults drink juice and coffee. They talk about the wedding. Everyone says, "This is a perfect day." The music is fun. "Let's dance," someone says. Many people dance. Leo and Lily dance too. They smile and laugh. There is a camera. The photographer takes many pictures. The sun starts to go down. The sky turns orange and pink. In the evening, the lights in the trees turn on. They are small and bright. There is a soft wind. People sit and rest. Some people sing, some people tell stories. Lily sits next to her mother. Leo sits with his father. They feel calm and happy. At the end of the day, Leo and Lily stand up. They thank all the guests again. They say, "We love you. Thank you for coming." The guests say goodbye. They wave and smile. Leo and Lily hold hands. They walk back to the house. It is a very special day. It is a day they will always remember.